How to download Ananta on mobile, particularly iOS and Android. So, in order to download Ananta for iOS, you need to open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap on the Search tab at the bottom. Then type Ananta or just simply search Ananta Living if you're looking for that specific app in the search bar and tap Search. Then find the app and simply tap on it. Then simply tap the Get button and then tap Install. And then after that, just verify with your Apple ID password or your Face ID or Touch ID. Now, in order to download it on Android, you need to open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. So simply just tap the search bar at the top and then type Ananta or Ananta Living as well. Then find the app you're looking for and simply tap on it. Then simply just tap the install button. Then after granting some permissions before the installation begins, it will successfully install the app or the Ananta on mobile app. Simply just install the game. And that's how you can basically download Ananta on mobile for iOS and Android.